Hi, this is Wen, and I'm here to show you a basic brief overview of how forums work and how to upload your PDF properly to link. So let's start with the PDF first, since it's a different thing. Right now, I am logged in as admin 1 here in Mills Teachers Scholars homepage. So to get to the dashboard, I just can click up here to dashboard. So this right here is kind of like the back end of your WordPress site, and we need, it will be explained later more detailed in another video, but basically what we need right now is media library. We do an add new. We could drop files or select files. In this case, I want to select this one. That's a PDF. Alright, it's crunching. There must be something wrong with that one, so we'll pick another one, I guess. Let's view real quick to see if it's gone through. Ah, good. Okay. Alright, so this is just a random PDF one. So what just happened is I uploaded this to the library, and what I can do is attach it to a post or forum or something. But another way to do this is just to look at it. And what I did was, here, I'll show again. What I did was just click on it, the guide, and right here you have your file URL. So let's do Control-C, or just a copy-paste kind of thing. And you can see that is actually, that's already the PDF. Right now this is public. If you want to make it private, it's a different matter, but assuming since it's a link anyways, what you do is you copy that link, and let's go to our forums. In this case, let's just do it from the home page. So we just do visit site to the direct site already. The forums to access is at the bottom of the page, workspace in the footer right hand side here. You click on forum, and workspace is here. So let's just do a test in one of these. Not this one. Let's do another one. Test. Enter. And then what you can do is one of two things, this here, or link to PDF. You press the link and then you enter the URL that you copied, add link, submit. So now, I mean, obviously both of these work, but I prefer this method because then you know exactly where you're clicking, because sometimes the name can be kind of ambiguous. So when you click link to PDF, you get to the PDF. The better way of doing this is what I did originally, which is if I go back to my workspace, I did it here in Rosa Parks Teacher Scholars, and the topic test title here, click that. So for this one, what I did was I entered multiple ones. It was fairly easy, so let's look at that. Just take me to the same one. Yeah. So what I did is substantially easier in that you just enter here into the post or topic, it doesn't really matter, and then you do choose file here for attachments, and you can pick that accordingly. The only issue is that warning message that you saw earlier will show up as a page, so it might be kind of confusing, but there's just really a delay, and that can be fixed later. So this is actually the easier way to do it in terms of choosing a file and just submit. But don't be afraid if you see the warning page, just refresh when you do. Okay. Other than that, that should be the end of how to add an attachment. In terms of the forums themselves, so this is currently the forum. One is private and the other one is public. So let's see, if I log out here, see the literature one completely disappears, right? And then I'll just log back in again. Oops. Okay, that was because I put in the wrong password. So, so now you see it again. With these, workspace is a category. So I'll show you how to do this for plus forum. Okay, so that's adding a new forum. So forum attributes right here, there's type. A forum is essentially has a bunch of topics. However, a category can have a bunch of forums. So it's like a hierarchy of organization. So a category can hold a lot of forums, and forums has a lot of topics, and the topics has a bunch of replies, which is a string of just, replies. Status open, closed, meaning if people can respond to it still. Visibility, public, private, hidden. Those are the three. Parent means kind of how, like where you want it organized. So for ours, you can see that the workspace has all the different schools in there added already. So if you want one that's beneath Highland Rise, let's say it's for a specific grade, then you can just put that in there as well. And then once you publish it, you'll be able to see it. Don't worry about this for now. These are just permission rights for certain kind of users, which I'll have that organized ahead of time. And so in order, like, you can add any kind of files you want technically, but there is a limit on the size, mainly because you don't want people uploading really, really large things on your server. Generally, a good file size is 512 KB, and the max is 4, but you can change these right here when you create the forums. So let's go look back to the original forum space. And let's say you have a page in Workspace. You want to edit Workspace, like this whole page as the category. So you can do edit forum. And if you can make it, see right now you can see it's a category and it's open in public. You can add text here. Add description text here, etc. Okay, so if you update that, view forum, it doesn't actually show anything. So the purpose of that is mainly that extra space is to hold, since it's a category, to hold these forums. If you actually want to put something in here, that's kind of a different way to do stuff. It won't be a category anymore, but for here, if you want to reply, add another topic, test topic 3, submit. Oh, see, your topic cannot be empty, meaning here, so enter text, submit. Alright, so right now you're redirected to where the test topic 3 up here is. So this is your enter text, and people can reply to you, and you can actually reply to yourself accordingly down here. But if you go back to topic, actually, you should refresh that, continue. You can see topic 3 is the most recent topic up here, and it shows what user is used by. There'll be more structured video on exactly like how to do more with the forums, but for now that's kind of an adequate understanding of actually how to add attachments.